Welcome to the seventh part of second degree equations. We are going to derive a formula to solve a second degree equation. We have studied about first degree polynomial and also second degree polynomial in 9th standard. We know ax square plus bx plus c is a second degree polynomial. Now we can write a second degree equation as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Using this equation, we are going to find a formula to get the value of x. Okay, for which let us rewrite this equation as ax square plus bx is equal to minus c. That is, by taking plus c to the other side of the equation, we got ax square plus bx is equal to minus c. Now we are going to make the coefficient of x square as 1. To make the coefficient of x square as 1, we are going to divide the whole equation by a. So if you divide by a throughout, we will get ax square by a, which gives you x square plus b divided by a into x is equal to minus c by a. Now we know in the method of completing squares, we have to take half the coefficient of x and the square of it is added to both sides. So let us write the half the coefficient of x. We know half the coefficient of x will be equal to b by 2a. Now what we are going to do? We are going to add the square of b by 2a on both sides. Then you will get x square plus b by a into x plus b by 2a the whole square is equal to b by 2a the whole square plus minus c by a. Do you understand? Now this is the expansion of x plus b by 2a the whole square. Now this is equal to, let us write the value of b by 2a the whole square. We will get b square by 4a square minus c by a. Now let us simplify the left hand side of the equation. Okay, then you will be able to write x plus b by 2a the whole square is equal to, take the common denominator as 4a square. Okay, so I am taking 4a square as the common denominator. Then here you will get b square. There is no change for b square. But here you have only a. To get 4a square, numerator and denominator are multiplied by 4a. So what do you get? You get c into 4a, which gives you 4ac. Now what we are going to do, as we did previously, we are going to take the square root on both sides. When you take the square root, square term will go off. So you get, taking square root, you get x plus b by 2a is equal to plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole thing divided by 2a the whole square. When you take the square root, you get 2a, or otherwise we can write it as a formula. X is equal to, take b by 2a to the other side. So you get minus b by 2a plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole thing divided by 2a. This is the formula to find the value of x. Now since 2a is the common term, we can write the equation as x is equal to, take 2a as the common denominator, so that your numerator will be x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. So to solve the problems in our next exercise, we are going to use the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole thing divided by 2a. You have to by heart this formula so as to solve the problems of the second degree equations. Now come to the first question in page number 97. The perimeter of a rectangle is 42 meter and diagonal is 15 meter. What are the length of sides? I have drawn a rectangle and marked the diagonal as 15. We are given perimeter to be equal to 42. We know perimeter, that is 2 into L plus B, is given to be equal to 42 meter. In the next step we can write L plus B is equal to 42 divided by 2, which is equal to 21. Now we are given L plus B is equal to 21. We don't know the length and breadth. So let us consider breadth to be equal to x. In that case, you will get length to be equal to 21 minus x. Now let us use Pythagoras theorem to find the value of x. That is, you will get base square 21 minus x the whole square plus altitude square, that is x square, is equal to hypotenuse square 15 square. Expanding 21 minus x the whole square using our identity a minus b whole square. First term is 21 square, which gives you 441 minus 2 times a into b, which gives you 42x plus last term x square plus this x square is equal to 15 square value 225. Add x square plus x square, you get 2x square minus 42x plus 441 is equal to 225. In the next step, take 225 to this side so that you will be able to write 2x square minus 42x plus 441 minus 225 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 42x plus 441 minus 225. 11 minus 5, 6, 3 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 2, 2 equal to 0. Now you know all these terms are divisible by 2. So let us divide the whole equation by 2. So you get x square minus 21x plus 108 is equal to 0. Now let us write a, b and c value. Here a is equal to 1. A is nothing but coefficient of x square. B is equal to minus 21. B is nothing but the coefficient of x, which is equal to minus 21. And C is equal to the last term 108. Let us substitute A, B, C in our formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole thing divided by 2a. Substituting a, b and c value in our formula, x is equal to minus b. So we have to write minus of minus 21 plus or minus root of b square. Our b square is minus 21 the whole square minus 4ac. A value 1, C value 108 whole thing divided by 2a. A value is 1. This is equal to minus of minus gives you plus sign. So you get 21 plus or minus root of minus 21 the whole square is 441 minus 4 into 108 gives you 432. Whole thing divided by 2. Now this is equal to 21 plus or minus root of 441 minus 32 gives you 9. Whole thing divided by 2, or otherwise this is equal to 21 plus or minus 3. Root 9 is equal to 3. Whole thing divided by 2. So we got x is equal to 21 plus 3 by 2 by taking the plus sign, and also we get x is equal to 21 minus 3 by 2. That is x is equal to 24 by 2, which gives you 12, or otherwise x is equal to 21 minus 3, which gives you 18. 18 by 2 is equal to 9. So we got the value of breadth as breadth is equal to 12. So we can say breadth is equal to 12 meter, and so length is equal to 21 minus 12, which is equal to 9 meters. Or otherwise, if you consider x is equal to 9, we get breadth to be equal to 9 meter and length to be equal to 21 minus 9, which gives you 12 meters. Look at the second question, children. How many consecutive natural numbers starting from 1 should be added to get 300? We have studied in our first chapter a formula to find the sum of first n natural numbers as n into n plus 1 divided by 2. We are given this is equal to 300. Now what is our question? We have to find how many terms are added to get 300. Our idea is to find n. Okay, so let us write one more step. N into n gives you n square plus n into 1 is equal to n. This is equal to 2 into 300 gives you 600. Now let us write this as a equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is, you get n square plus n minus 600 is equal to 0. We are going to use the formula to solve this problem. What is the coefficient of x square here? It is 1. So we can write a is equal to 1, b is also equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 600. This equation is of n square. Instead of x, we wrote this equation in terms of n. So we are going to find the value of n. So we can write n is equal to, use the formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square. B square value 1 square minus 4 into a into c value is minus 600 whole thing divided by 2 into a value is 1. Or otherwise, n is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 square is 1, minus of minus gives you plus 2400 whole thing divided by 2. Otherwise, n is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 2401 divided by 2. So we got n is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 2401 is 49. So you get 49 divided by 2. So here again you get two different answers. N is equal to minus 1 plus 49 by 2 which gives you 48 by 2 which is equal to 24, or otherwise n is equal to minus 1 minus 49 by 2 which gives you minus 50 by 2 which is equal to minus 25. Here we are talking about number of terms. Number of terms cannot be negative. So we have to consider this answer, that is n is equal to 24. So our question, how many consecutive natural numbers are added to get 300? We have to say 24 natural numbers starting from 1 is added to get 300. Is it clear to you, children? More questions we will discuss in our next class. Thank you.